Here's how to deactivate Instagram thread profile. So if you want to take a break from your thread profile, just follow this step. Open your thread app, tap on your profile at the bottom right, tap on this menu icon at the top right corner, tap on account, tap on deactivate profile. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate your profile by logging back in. Deactivating your thread profile will not affect your Instagram account. Tap on deactivate thread profile. Tap on deactivate and your thread profile will be deactivated. And to reactivate your account, just log back in. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.